Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will solve another interesting problem to check if a number is prime or not. Our task is to check if a given number is prime. So a prime number is greater than 1 and divisible only by 1 and itself. For example, if we give input 7, it's prime since 7 is divisible only by 1 and 7. If we give 10, it's not prime since 10 can be divided by 1, 2, 5 and 10 and divisible by 1, 2, 5 and 10. So let me code it first, then I will explain it line by line. Def is prime, we'll pass the number. Well, this is a function to check if the number is prime. So if number less than or equal to 1, we can return false. For I in range 2 to int of number 0.5 plus 1. If number mod I equal to 0, we will return false. Else we return true. Then we take the input from the user, num equal to input. Then if we will check if the number is prime. If it is prime, we will print num is prime. Print num is a prime number. In the else case, we will print num is not a prime number. So let me explain it step by step. First, we define a function is prime that checks if a number is prime. Then we will handle number less than or equal to 1. Any number less than or equal to 1 is not prime, so we return false. Then we iterate through possible divisors. To optimize our check, we only iterate up to the square root of the number, and this reduces the number of iterations and improve the efficiency of the code. And if the number is divisible by any I in the range, it's not prime and we return false. And it didn't return false, then it will return true since the number is a prime number. And if the number passes all checks, we return true, indicating it's prime. Then we take the input from the user, we call the isPrime function and display whether the number is prime or not. Let's give an input. Let's give 7. It should print 7 is a prime number. Then let's give 10. It should print 10 is not a prime number. Then let's give -5. It should print -5 is not a prime number. Let's run this. Yes, -5 is not a prime number. So the key concept we learned are numbers greater than 1 divisible only by 1 and themselves. So prime numbers are numbers which are greater than 1 and divisible only by 1 and themselves. So we iterate up to the square root of number for better performance and efficiency of the code. And using conditions and loops effectively, we can control the flow of code, and that's how we can check if a number is prime. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more coding challenges, and as always, happy coding.